Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make mushroom soup and garlic bread. First, let's get started on our creamy mushroom soup. Begin by cleaning and slicing 1 pound of your favorite mushrooms, like cremini or button. Next, finely chop 1 medium onion. In a large pot, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat, then add the chopped onion and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. This forms the flavorful base for our soup. Now, add your sliced mushrooms to the pot with the onions and continue to sauté until they release their liquid and start to brown, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Stir in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and cook for 1 minute, creating a roux to thicken the soup. Gradually whisk in 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth, ensuring no lumps. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, letting it cook for about 15 minutes to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. While the soup simmers, let's prepare our garlic bread. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Take 1 baguette and slice it lengthwise. In a small bowl, combine 4 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter with 3 cloves of freshly minced garlic and a pinch of salt. Spread this aromatic garlic butter generously over both halves of the baguette. Place the bread on a baking sheet and bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until golden brown and fragrant. To finish the soup, remove it from the heat and stir in 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Ladle the warm, creamy mushroom soup into bowls and garnish with fresh chopped parsley. Slice your golden brown garlic bread and serve it alongside the soup for a truly comforting meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, plus other great deals we've found for you. Enjoy your delicious homemade dinner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.